This is what I always wanted to do in my life. I was born in Prato. This is a textile region where everybody makes or is involved into making fabrics. Alex always told me, Fabiano, I want a nice fabric with no compromise on price, just give me the top level of what you can make. And this is what we did. The relationship between Macchia & Son and Bartolini from other customers at Bartolini, I think we put a lot of love in the fabrics we make, and Alex perceived it, and he put the same love in the sofa he makes. For me, the most important thing in a company is the environment, the feeling that you have inside the company, because it reflects on your customers, it reflects on the product you make. If you are happy and if you believe in what you do and you share the same interest, then the result, it comes to the product. And it comes also to the happiness of our customers. We want our customers to be happy like we are. And I'm very proud of the people that are here. They transmit, I think, enthusiasm to everybody who's on the other line of the phone or on the other line of the email.